how to quickly do a top-up of coolant in your bike, specifically this Kawasaki Versys. This is the coolant reservoir, and I'm just trying to zoom in to the area. You can now see the cap, the black thing is the cap over there, and removing the cap is still easy, but then while fitting it back it would require you to completely go turn yourself, adjust, so it's a bit difficult, but you can do it. Yeah, once the cap did fell over here in the fairing, but it's easy to remove the cap. So removing the cap is pretty easy. You need to just wiggle your hand inside, and then while fitting the cap back after filling the coolant, again attaching the reservoir's cap is a little bit more tricky than inserting the tube. Trust me, bit tricky, but it's okay. We just tried this new way of topping up the coolant without opening up the fairing and getting the tools and all that, using just this tube and this, and bare hands we filled the coolant over here. How to quickly do a top-up of coolant in your bike, specifically this Kawasaki Versys, and the coolant reservoir is over here on the back side. So what you need to open up the fairing, see my other video, and what I've done is a quick trick. Just took this bottle, added the coolant. You can add the coolant later, and this bottle is attached to this particular tube. You can make a small hole over here so that the air can go inside the tube. Anyways, this tube is ready, and you need kind of a little bit of a trick, and the trick is don't attach the bottle initially. I'm just demonstrating it. I'll just show it. So what you do is just bend this tube and then somehow insert it inside. You kind of bend this tube, then you add put your hand inside over here. You already removed the cap, so removing the cap is pretty easy, and then ensure that the bend end is on top of the opening, and then just release it, and you can adjust it, and that way the pipe would be in the reservoir. Difficult to show it with one hand holding the camera, but anyways, I just did a refill and it was so easy. I mean, it just takes couple of more half a minute to adjust the pipe on the opening. Just release it this way. I didn't want to add any wire because I had that idea, but what if the wire is a little bit long and I didn't have the wire in hand and all that thing. So the whole process was done in less than 2 to 3 minutes. This is how you quickly do a refill of your coolant, and then just push it. So yeah, did the refill. So add the coolant over here and just squeeze it. When you squeeze it, the coolant would go inside the reservoir over there, and you can see the leveling of the reservoir is now okay, and then retract the pipe and you are done. So quick. This is how you add coolant to your bike, Versys specifically, because the reservoir filling is over there. Otherwise you need to open up this side of the whole fairing. See my other video on my channel, how to open the fairing and how to replace the coolant and flush it up. But this is how a quick way to just top it up. I'm just using this coolant and just squeeze it.